Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income and tech. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can repurpose your video content into blog posts using Loom. This is such a great time saver if you create any kind of video content and you want to extract the text and reuse it for any kind of blog posts or text content. Before we dive into the video, I just want to let you know that I put any links to resources in the comment section below of the video, so definitely check those out. If you find my content helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep creating content for you. So the first thing that I like to start off with is making sure that I have a Google Doc open. So I'm ready to copy and paste my content that comes out of Loom into my blog post format. So I usually have just like an H1, an H2, and just a call to action down the bottom. I keep it nice and simple just so that I can remember the structure of the blog posts. Okay, so when I'm inside Loom, you can either create a new video by recording a video or you can upload a video. Now, I like to use the desktop version of Loom because I find that there's just so many features and functions that are better in it, and it's just a lot easier to use and it just comes out clearer and I just like it a lot better. So that's what I'm currently recording with at the moment. So I'm just going to use this video here that I've already recorded just for the demo purposes. So you're going to click onto the video, and it doesn't matter whether you've uploaded a video or you've pre-recorded a video. This is exactly the same for either of those. And on the right hand side, you can go to transcript. If your video is really long, it's going to take a little while for Loom to get the transcript, but this is the most amazing feature because this has literally pulled out all of the text from this video that I made, and it has just put it in this transcript here. So all I need to do is copy the transcript, come over to where my blog post is. Now, I just like to kind of put it under the blog post title and paste it there just so I can like get ready to format it. So I'm just gonna paste it into there, and you'll see that it's pasted and it's put each of the sections with the timestamps. So that's when like I've had a break or I'm talking about something different. So it's really easy to go ahead and edit those things. So you can see that you can really easily turn all of your long form videos, if you're recording them with Loom, like tutorials or anything like that, you can record them and then you can just repurpose them and turn them into a blog post within like 5 minutes. It's so simple and it's so easy. And from here, all I'm going to do is, because obviously I know what sections, I'm just going to take that out and I can put it under here into the subheading, and then I just format my blog post. I add in images, anything like that, and then it is ready to upload into my website. The great thing about doing it this way is because you've copied and pasted that transcript from Loom and put it into your Google Docs, is you can just edit out all of the things. Like in my text, you can see that I say so a lot, and that doesn't really make any sense. If you have somebody on your team or you just want to be able to share it with clients or anything like that, because you've copied and pasted it into your Google Docs, you can now share that. So you can share this blog post, you can share it here. I'll just save that. You can share it and you can go anyone with the link, which means that you can send it to any clients if there's like they need multiple approval or anything like that, or you can send it to staff members and you can just copy that link and you can share it there. Something that I like to do if I'm sharing blog posts with clients that they need to approve is I like to insert drop downs for them to actually select and approve it. So I'll just say like approval, and I'll be like, approved, changes, or whatever the other options are. So you can save that and they can come over here and then they can select it. And with Google Docs, remember, once you share it, they can do all sorts of things like comment on it and make edits and everything like that. So it's a completely shareable document. Hey guys, so if you enjoyed my content today, please like the video, make sure you subscribe, even leave a comment below to let me know that you are loving this content so I can create more for you.